Rio, that's not normal cloud activity.
Nope, that's trouble. We can't stay airborne.
The feather volcano!
It's waking up! Then we fly straight into it. Follow my voice. Stay close. The wind core is destabilizing.
KiKo? Are we supposed to touch these?
If it glows and floats, probably yes.
Why are these feathers angry? Because the planet is angry. Angry! Jump my count!
I was afraid you'd say that.
Children of the wind, why have you come?
To save our home.
And restore balance. Only harmony can calm the storm. Did we just save everyone? Everyone?
Indeed. And we didn't die. Shocking.
Protect nature, and it will protect you.